If you could only travel with one perfume, what would it be? Honestly, this is a question that I struggle with the most because your girl likes perfume, and I can always come up with some sort of reason for why I might need more than one perfume to take with me on a trip, whether it's a road trip or a trip where I'm flying somewhere. But I mean, the truth is we don't need multiple perfumes when we are traveling. As much as we may feel like we need multiple perfumes, it's just not true. And so today I have 5 fragrances that I think are really perfect for travel, perfect for summer travel, let's put it that way, just because I feel like they're very versatile, very flexible. 1 or 2 of these definitely have this is where you'd wear them, but the rest of them, I feel like they're just really flexible perfumes, and perfumes that you can wear, whether it's, oh, we're going to a really nice dinner tonight, or, oh, we're going shopping today, or, hey, we're just gonna hang out on the beach, okay? So let's get started. The first perfume that we're going to talk about is the 7 Virtues Coconut Sun perfume. Guys, I mean, let me tell you, this perfume, I am itching to get my hands on a full-size bottle of this because this fragrance, it is a coconutty lime breeze kind of situation, okay? If you remember the Bath & Body Works iconic fragrance that they sadly discontinued, then you know what Coconut Sun smells like. It's just a very unique take on coconut, and I feel like what it is that it's just very fresh. It has the coconut, the denseness of the coconut, the milkiness of the coconut fragrance note, while adding in the zestiness of that citrus lime kind of fragrance, which I really, really love. Honestly, this perfume, I would sort of keep this more for a casual sort of situation, a casual kind of vacation, where, hey, we are literally not doing anything fancy. We are just going to plant our tushy on a beach the whole time. Boom, right here, okay? Coconut Sun is your go-to because it's very easy to wear, it's very flexible, it's fresh, it's coconutty, it's beachy, it's casual, it's perfect, okay? It's fresh while still having the warmth of the coconut. This perfume, I love this perfume. The next one we're going to do is the Stess 602 fragrance. Now, this perfume, let me tell you, this is like molten beach vibes. This is molten summer beach kind of, I'm in Hawaii and, everything is just super tropical and fun, and I'm a coconut goddess, okay? That's sort of what this gives me. That's what this is giving me, where it's that coconutty, caramely, nutty, goddess, molten, warm vibe, okay? That's what this is giving me. With, the pistachio, with the, let's look at it. Pistachio, heliotrope, vanilla, and salted caramel. It's got everything you need. And what I have to say about this is it does have a more casual feel to it, but I feel like it really has the denseness you need, especially if you're going on the summer vacation and it's very beachy, okay? Going back to, oh, you're going to Hawaii, or oh, you're going to Florida, or, whatever it is. You're going to a beachy setting here. This perfume, I feel like it really lends itself to being very easy to wear, whether it's I'm going to the beach and we're just going to hang out there, and then, I'm going to go home and shower, but I'm going to wear this again to go out to eat to our super fancy restaurant. This is perfect for that. Perfect for that. It has the density, it has the weight, and I am looking for a nicer perfume, but it has the fragrance of I'm a beach baby, okay? That's what this gives me. And so this perfume, I mean, this is hands down one of the best perfumes you could take with you on a vacation, on a summer beachy vacation especially. The next perfume is the Brown Girl Jane L'Amour perfume. Listen, this fragrance, I need some paper. This perfume, okay, suede, lemon, florals, plumeria, watery, this very dense, thick kind of fragrance, but it's still very florally. It's still very light. It's still very fresh smelling, okay? It's a very clean fragrance, but it's not super airy-fairy. I feel like this perfume, it is perfect. It is perfect for your summer vacation just because it has the weight to it, but it's perfect for a casual day, as well as a fancy night, okay? I could easily wear this to like, oh, I'm gonna go to the super bougie mall in Maui, but also I'm gonna, go and chill at the beach here later, or I'm gonna go to this cocktail bar here on the beach, but I'm also going to wear this to just sort of do some casual sightseeing. The easiest, most versatile, most flexible perfume I think I've ever smelled. I mean, it is just a gorgeous fragrance. And yeah, if you are looking for a flexible perfume that it's like, this is gonna go beyond vacation, okay? This is easily a, beyond vacation kind of perfume. This is a perfume that it's like, I could easily wear this year round. It's not just a one-time investment kind of thing, I have to buy a whole new wardrobe for my vacation kind of situation. This is a, yes, I'm going to buy this because it's perfect for vacation, but it's also going to serve me well the rest of the year, okay? Because honestly, I'm going to be really honest, guys. I don't think that it's smart to buy something just for vacation. I am not wired that way. I know a lot of people are wired that way, but honestly, I want more uses out of something than just, I'm going to look super hot for 2 weeks, okay? I needed to work the other 50 weeks of my life. So this perfume, perfect for that. The next fragrance that I highly recommend to anybody is the Dossier Perfumes Zest for Life perfume. This is more of a budget-friendly fragrance. We have a nice blend here of budget-friendly and, more high-end luxury fragrances. This perfume, I've said it before, it smells like the Hollister store. It legitimately smells like the Hollister store. That is perfect for the beachy vibe. Obviously, the Hollister store is literally embodying Hollister, California. It is the embodiment of beach. And this perfume, absolutely, okay? It's definitely got that woody, citrusy, fresh kind of vibe. And I mean, it is just gorgeous. A gorgeous perfume to pack with you if it's I'm doing this summer thing. I'm going to be outside. I'm going to be, maybe you are going somewhere, not the beach, but it's going to be hot. It's going to be warm. It's summer, obviously. And so you want something that's very fresh, that's very light, that's not going to be too heavy and too obnoxious, because I mean, we've all been in that situation where it's I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and on top of it all, somebody is wearing a freaking heavy perfume and I am dying of suffocation here, okay? We've all been there. This perfume is perfect because it is very light while still making an impression. It is very fresh, very alive, very awake, but I mean, it's still making an impact with its presence, okay? And I love this perfume. I also, once again, think that it's very versatile if you are wanting something that will easily go from daytime to night. Oh yes, we're gonna go and walk the deserts of Colorado, and then we're gonna go to a bougie Colorado restaurant, okay? I don't know. But this is perfect for that. So yes, I could not, I love this. This is a gorgeous fragrance. Lastly, this perfume has my heart. This perfume brand has my number, okay? This is the Ellis Brooklyn Sweet perfume. Oh my word. Okay, so listen. Do not be scared of sweet. I was sort of is it just gonna be like cotton candy? No, Ellis Brooklyn is far bougier than cotton candy, my friends. This is like that sweet, woody kind of fragrance. A sweet, woody, sort of semi-fresh, but it literally just smells like you've rubbed some very nourishing lotion, like shea buttery kind of lotion, and it has a little bit of an essence of a woody, slightly floral kind of texture and fragrance about it. This perfume is gorgeous. Okay? Oh my word, I don't know how to describe it. It's just sweet. It's just sweet. Just this very graceful, this very light, this very easy to wear sweet perfume. I wore this yesterday and it smelled good all day. It was very, I could smell it on myself all day. I didn't reapply at all. I mean, I'm going to be honest, when I just have samplers and I love it, I do not reapply because, honey, I am using sparingly. But this perfume, I didn't have to reapply. I could smell it on myself all day, but it was just this nice little, just a kiss of sweet. And I think that is something that I really do like during the summer. You know me. I do like a sweet fragrance. I do like more gourmand fragrances. But this perfume, it's not gourmand, but it is sweet. It's just that subtle sweet. It's a very graceful sweet. And so I think that it's really easy to wear on a summer vacation. It's really easy to take with you on a summer vacation. Just because it's one of those fragrances where it's like, you know what? Like, it's that perfect balance of sweet and light and subtle that I want for a day on the beach, but it's also that perfect balance of sweet and light and subtle that I want to go to the fancy restaurant tonight. Okay, so it's just, I mean, it made me feel like I had healthy skin. It made me feel like I was glowy. It just made me feel very good, very approachable, very easy, okay? And so, yes, I like... Listen, Ellis Brooklyn, one by one, all of them. I am obsessed. Like, every single time I smell one of these fragrances, I'm, like, adding it to my Christmas list because I'm just, like, absolutely, okay? Like, wish list is getting very full of Ellis Brooklyn very quickly. Yes, like, I could not say enough about Ellis Brooklyn sweet perfume. So that is the lowdown. Those are the fragrances that I recommend you take with you on your vacation. And again, I feel like, you know, if you are able to find a fragrance where it's like, it's very versatile, it's very flexible, and you can fit it in a lot of different areas of your life and of your vacation to where it's like, it's perfect for that casual, slow going, you know, slow moving beach day, but it's also really perfect for the day where you're sightseeing and going to a really nice restaurant. If you can find a fragrance that fits into all of those kinds of situations, then you're golden, okay? You're golden. You only need one fragrance. You really only need one fragrance when you go on vacation, especially if you're packing a carry-on and hey, like, you only have room, you have like so much room for liquids in your bag. Then this list right here, these items, perfect. It's perfect for that kind of situation because they're very versatile, very easy, and just a very nice fragrance, a very easy fragrance to wear, to smell, and to fit into any kind of situation you might find yourself in on vacation. That is all I have for you today. If you are interested in getting your hands on these fragrances and checking them out a little bit more, you know, taking a closer look at them, then I will have them linked down below, all of them, so you don't have to go any further than the description box here. And if you are interested in finding more budget-friendly fragrances that I'm going to be wearing this summer, then I highly recommend you watch this video right here. This is my budget-friendly summer perfume sort of perfume tray, my perfume collection, the fragrances I'm reaching for that are more on the budget-friendly side of things. So definitely check that video out if that is what you're interested in. Thank you so much for joining me today. I love you oh so very much. And until we meet again, so long.